So right now, I see one sexy blood clot girl on the scene, and the girl body hot enough girl come talk about hot body, then I have a body. Where you run on some man, then I have a body. Before I follow back down the blood clot road, they are not body like me, a lesbian. Stand up, I'm sure what a real black woman supposed to look like. She is beautiful. Hello, darling. Goodbye. You just bye, just like a broken body and gone. Ross, bye-bye. See you later. Anyway, she give me like a video and she gone. Her body big, so she said she not waste no time. She said my body too big, yeah. I don't waste no time with that girl. All for chatting. My body big. So she roll her body and she gone. She gone. So right now, I go right up on the front page and walk. Look, let me come get me dinner and come go home. People, my love, you know, we have a lot to talk about. God is good and His mercy endure forever, always. You see me? And no matter how you look at it, life is to live and to enjoy. And you can't make nobody stop your shine. You can't make them dim your light. You see me? Avina Williams, big up yourself. You don't know. Big up. God is good and mercy endure forever. And so it goes. So basically. No. I'm going to see what's the name of the person. I'm going to figure further up this, I guess.